For the next 3 days, I'm camping on this beach with my wife, Kiersten, our baby, and our toddler. It's 2:34 in the morning. You guys are wired. It's Kirsten's 28th birthday, so we're celebrating by sleeping in tents, cooking amazing camp food, and having a good old time reconnecting with nature. Wish Kiersten a happy birthday in the comments, and let's go have an amazing time.
Happy birthday to you.
Get in there. Is it happy birthday to you?
Those are happy feet. Are we camping?
I'm so stoked about this. This is said to be like sleeping on a mattress. I haven't slept on it yet. Tonight's the first night. It's hard to get it out of here. Is this the right form? It's go time. Oh, that's gonna be for us.
That's been good for me and Rio.
Oh, it's all flat right now, but it's gonna become a bed.
Rio, hi.
Milady has asked me to show you what we brought. We got 1 tent for sleeping and 2 tents for gear. We brought the CRV camp table. We got some fishing gear, spear, some diving gear, snorkel and beach gear, bed for the baby, chairs for all sizes, and the queen in her birthday throne. We got a bag full of kitchen, cooking, camp fun, and a green surfboard just in case. And my personal favorite. Let's go put it in the tent. Come on. We got a surfboard in there. We need to check on the mattress. Yeah, that's looking thick. That's what I'm talking about. This is the secret weapon. What could possibly be inside? Bedding, but that's not the best part. Full-size pillows. Ooh, this might come in handy. So let's pick them all up, buddy. Thank you. Bible, we got fire. Can you say fire?
Fire.
Buddy?
Fire.
Our neighbors just came over with this pan of Colby. Looks like steak, onions, I think fish with ginger. You have got to be kidding me. Ready for this?
Okay.
Fire.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's a lot of ginger. That's medicine right there. We're gonna see if it actually fits. Dude, that actually looks really good.
Look at the rainbow.
Oh my gosh. They're done.
That's pretty good.
Sound lick? Okay, we got full bellies. That food was amazing and we're ready for bed. We're gonna put the girls down, and as long as nothing goes crazy tonight, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Hey, you're supposed to be asleep. And you, what time is it? 3?
1, 2, 5, 2.
It's 2:34 in the morning. You guys are wired.
Fire. Fire.
No. Lay down. We're going on a little walk. And maybe that will make her relax. Good morning. Good morning, Viva. How'd you sleep?
Okay.
Sometimes that's how we slept. Happy birthday, baby.
I can't believe I'm 28 years old today. This is so pretty. Nice. A little campfire veggie straw, huh? Do you know it's Mommy's birthday today?
Today we have breakfast burritos handcrafted by Kiersten. And what's in them? Eggs.
Eggs,
Cheese.
cheese, and a little bit of Greek yogurt.
Top it off with some of that. Viva, what are these?
Oh, these look so good.
The first birthday meal. It's the little things
I know.
in life. It's crazy, my mom used to put this on my tongue if I said bad words.
You ate a lot of that last night. Look at you sitting up so good. It's crazy. I used to live right there. Back at the place where Scotty and I met and where we dated. But this time with our babies. It's so fun.
mom a high protein super snack. A whole family in one hammock.
Tea.
Uh-oh, something got inside of our hammock. It's just a Rio. Now it's about midday, so we're like, oh, perfect time for naps. The girls are already sleeping in the other hammock, and we're gonna relax here for a little bit. Huh, bud? Does that sound fun? Yeah.
While Scotty and Viva are sleeping, I'm gonna take Rio and I'm gonna go do some yoga somewhere close to the beach.
That nap was much needed. Last night was rough. I was up with Viva from like 2 to 4:30. Got a little birthday surprise, but Kiersten ended up digging into my stuff and found it. These are something that she's been craving.
Okay, I haven't had a Twinkie since I was probably like 8 years old.
Dinner is gonna be insane, but in order to get dinner going, we gotta get coals going. Found some coconut husk and a bunch of twigs around. Yeah, it's raining, huh? Viva, let's go get some bigger wood. Come. The rain is coming down. Hopefully our fire doesn't go out. I think the breeze should be good enough to keep it stoked. Let's go, buddy. Got a couple pieces of wood. A lot of the wood I just grabbed is like really wet too, so hoping to dry it out by the fire. You coming, buddy? Oh, our fire looks good still. If it's downpouring, we'll see how it goes. Okay, we got nice hot coals right here.
For this fun camping dinner, I saw this recipe. It's like a pizza log. You get dough, you put all the ingredients and cheese and sauce all on it, and then you roll it up in this big log. It looks like this. Okay, so what's on the inside is sauce, mozzarella cheese, Portuguese sausage, pepperoni, and onion.
This is birthday dinner meal.
I'm really grateful that we were able to come out here camping. The reason for coming out here was, one, to disconnect. I like to get away from town and waking up in nature, being in nature all day long. My main reason for coming out here, though, was just to be around family and get this good quality time that we don't always get. We are all on different schedules a bit. So it's nice to all be just on no schedule and just be out here together. It's been really fun with Scotty. I am so grateful that he's my husband because he is always down for anything, and I know I'm just gonna cherish this camping trip for the rest of my life, and I'll look back at this video and remember how special it was to be with you guys so little. We all have reasons to not do things, but I like that Scotty always finds a reason to do something, so
do you, hon.
I'm grateful for you.
Thinking it about me. It's your birthday, babe. Well, it's been on for a little bit. We've done some rotations. Sounds like a crust to me. I really hope it's done. Is it cooked? Is it delicious? We're gonna find out. Listen. Let's bless it and eat it.
Okay.
It's like a massive hot pocket.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's really like a pizza pocket. Oh my gosh, that is so good.
That is good. Kirsten, you did really good.
I like that.
Seasoning. Oh, the onion. Oh, I love that.
And then
Even the babies love it.
what do we have going on over here?
Well, we just have a cute little puddle of babies. She's so nice to her sister.
My baby.
You.
Found you.
She's staring at you, Viva. Next up, cookie dough. Oh, what are you doing?
What do you think?
Fly? Was it a fly? Was it a fly in your water?
So gross.
I didn't put it in there. Don't like yell at me like I did. I don't know why she swallowed a
And the
fly.
fact that-
I'm sorry.
It's so gross. I feel so.
You suck it through the straw. Never successfully made cookies while camping, but I hope today that changes. It's tradition time. We go around and say everything that we love or our favorite thing about the birthday queen.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
So, I'll start. I love about mommy, she is adventurous and she loves the people around her. Viva,
Mommy.
what do you love about mommy? Actually kind of starting to look like a cookie. They're still gooey though.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Thinking it might be better if we could flip them. Okay, we successfully flipped them all.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Smoky crispy.
Is it smoky?
Yeah, I like
Today has been all about celebrating Kirsten's 28th birthday. She didn't want any fancy dinner. She just wanted a pizza log over open coals, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, it's time for night number 2. We're a little bit nervous. Hopefully it's better than night 1 because that was rough. Anyways, we'll see you in the morning. Well, we've been up since 1 o'clock. She was making too much fuss and waking Mama up, so we got out. We're in the hammock now. Good morning. We had Viva right here last night. Viva, did you like Viva's bed? Bit of a sunrise out there. Hi, Rio. So from camp, this is our path to the beach. And we chose this spot just because it had better proximity. Let's go, baby. Check this out. Beautiful morning, huh, Viva? Did you find a cute shell? Show me. Yeah, you did find a cute shell. Well, we got a little bit more sleep than last night. I am very tired because I was out with Viva for a few hours. And Mama was up because she was worried about us. It was raining on us a little bit. You know, protective Mama. If Viva wants to try out the surfboard today. Good job, buddy. Breakfast today, we got pancakes, maybe some blueberry pancakes.
Right there? Oh, good one.
How about that?
Yeah.
This mattress was insane. It was like the best camp sleep I've ever got outside of Viva waking us up. No joke, it felt like a real bed. Highly recommend. This is like 4 inches thick. That's solid. Pacific Adventure Works makes this mattress. Not a paid sponsorship. Just first time using it and I'm really happy with it. Time to fold it up. Now, I guess we just roll it up.
Happy birthday to you. Cheese. Viva. Cool. Viva. Cool.
So this is how small that the package gets down to. It's not ideal for backpacking. I'd probably sacrifice space just to bring it because it's that comfortable. Or I just gotta get a good backpacking one that's actually comfortable.
Let's take a bite. Looks so good. Scotty put so much butter on the pan. You honestly don't even need syrup.
Oh, that's delicious.
What was your favorite part about camping?
Camping.
I loved hearing the ocean at night. I even loved those moments when Viva and I went out at night. Once I was out there, it was really nice because I'd see the moon. It was really beautiful. I got some like kind of meditative moments. Little to no technology. I haven't texted anybody. It was awesome just getting back to basics.
She said, "Thank you, Daddy."
A lot of gear. That's what it looks like when you go with not 1, but 2 babies. Camping with little ones is a totally different animal. It's got hardships, it's got midnight disasters, and it's going to test your sanity. But looking back at these 3 days, every single challenge was infinitely worth it to create these core memories as a family. And I truly believe that stripping away modern comforts, turning off the screens, and living back with the basics in nature is medicine for us. And it makes us more resilient, it makes us closer in our relationships with each other, and it develops us into stronger humans. So go make some memories with your people. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next week's adventure. And Kiersten, happy birthday. I love you. If you didn't wish her a happy birthday yet, go wish her one in the comments. We'll see you guys next time. Stop, dog, stop. The light is red.
Go, go, go.
It's green ahead.